Hi students, again I'm very happy to welcome you all for this session. In this session you are going to learn the sum chapter Python and CSV files. So here with we are going to start modifying an existing file, modifying an existing CSV file using Python programming language. So that I'm going to modifying an CSV file. First of all I will show you the original CSV file before I'm going to modify that one. See here, and here people, I'm going to make a small changes here. Instead of 4k or instead of Anu, I'm going to make some modifications to this record. For that I have to open IDLE Python shell script. After opening the shell script, I have to create a new file. Here I have to import my CSV module. I have to import my CSV module, and here I have to specify in which row I want to make modifications, and here I have to specify 1 comma, and afterwards I have to give the details. What are the details I'm going to modify here? Here I have to give, I'm going to give details, and here 49 is age. Next one I have to give with open, and after that I have to specify the path. Here I have to specify the path pupil, pupil pupil.csv, and afterwards I have to specify the mode of the file. Here my mode of my file is read mode, and here as f, and next one is create a reader is equal to csv.reader reader. Because of using csv.reader function, reader class, this reader class which will help me to read the particular file what I have mentioned here. And here f, and after that here lines is equal to list.reader, list within a bracket reader. Those file lines should be contained or converted into list or transferred into list. Here lines within that one is equal to row or row w, and next one with open specify the file name within the quotes pupil people.csv, and again specify the file mode because I'm going to make some modifications. These are all for read the files, and this one is for write the files because we are going to make some modifications. That's why here we have to give w, mode of my file is, and next one is create a writer class to make the modifications. To make the modifications we have to create writer class csv dot writer CSV writer within the bracket is equal to capital F, because I have specified the whole path into F only. And next one is writer writer is equal to dot write rows. This write rows method writes multiple rows to a CSV file. Because of using write rows method, this write rows method helps us to write multiple rows into a CSV file. And next one, lines, lines, because in lines only each and every line of the record has been readed by lines. Next one is read file, not read file, f dot close, f dot close. And next one w dot, sorry, not w, f dot close. So here with give control s, pupil, pupil dot pupil one, pupil dot pupil one dot csv, save it, write invalid syntax. Here I forgot to give as, again give it. So small mistake I have done here. Here I forgot to give, I forgot to specify the path of my file. So within that e p y p r g, here also I have to do the same. See here the same thing is have to give here also, e and p y p r g. Control S, again run it. Permission has been denied, so that I have to clear the close function. Again save it. So permission denied. Open the people CSV file. So see the file whether changes has been made or not. Nothing has been changed here, so that open ideally. Small mistake I have done here, we have to rectify the error here. Open, and here pu So I have done a mistake while saving my file. While saving my file, I have given people1.csv, but it is not a correct method. I have to give people1.py only, because we are writing the coding into Python programming language only, so that we have to give people1.py. So go to file, open the existing files. So here I'm going to open your book. From the book I'm going to copy the code. Yes, we have to make some small modifications here, and here we have to specify the path. And here also we have to specify the path. We have to remove the unwanted spaces while copying from your book. Here also have to give people1.py invalid character. Open this one. Yes, we have to change this one as save as people1.cs, not csv, sorry, py, people11.csv, py. Now run it. F is not defined. A small mistake is there in our program. Here F, yes, W, again 0. Here also I'm going to give 0. Give Control S, save it. This is the code for modifying an existing data with the help of CSV programming, in a CSV file with the help of Python programming language. Next one, we are going to add new row into the file. For that, again we have to create a new one. So again we have to import a new file, import CSV, and afterwards, to create a row we have to create a variable called row. Within that, and here nothing is there. To create a new row into a CSV file, we have to see the CSV file. See here, I'm going to create a new row for this CSV file. Row, here we have to calculate the column 1 2 2 3 4 5 6. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. As a sixth one, we have to give here 6, and afterwards we have to give any codes. That's all. And after that, with open we have to give with open to create a new row into a specific file. Here we have to specify the path with the e:, double quotes, pyprg, within pyprg folder, and after that I have to specify the file name here 3.csv. Yes, I think so. THRE3.csv, and 3.csv, we have to specify the path, and here we are going to append new codes within the existing codes, so that we have to specify the mode as a here, because we are going to append, and as cf is nothing that just like as a variable. How we are creating a variable to assign a variable, so to assign a variable value, like that cf is a variable only. And next one, we have to create a writer variable to write the codes into the existing file, csv.write or writer. Into that we have to give cf, and next one is write or writer dot write write rows row. What I have given here, that should be right into the existing record. Next one is cf.clo se. I have to save. After saving that one, ex or new row.py, run your program. Yes, nothing has been show an error, so that program has been successfully executed. So now we will see whether the new code has been added or not into the existing one as a new row. So go here, 3.csv. Yes, see here, God is always, but it has been added differently. Yes, so here again, but anyhow it is added, but it has been added as a different one. So next one we are going to see CSV with the codes. We are going to write a new file with the double quotes. That is what we are going to see here. For that, open a new one, import a CSV module into that, and next one is create a create columns or create titles for the record. We have to give, or we have to create a new variable called info is equal to, within the bracket, and SNO comma P then comma next one. Here we have to give DOB, date of birth. Okay, so next one is we have to add the details. Here 1 comma RK comma, here we have to give 2609 2000, and here also we have to add, we can add more than one details if you want, and here you have to give as a second one, and here A, and here we have to give the date of birth of A, and here we have to specify the year 2005, and that's all enough. For that we have to give dialect, because we are going to extract these details within double quotes, so that we have to give dialect class or dialect function, csv dot or regist or register underscore dialect, dialect, within the bracket, within quotes, my dialect, dialect comma quoting quoting is equal to csv dot quote quote underscore all, quote underscore all, And next one we have to give with open within the bracket. We have to specify the path in which folder under which and in which colon under which folder I want to save this one. We have to specify here, so that e colon is a new one here under pyprg pupil1 dot csv, and here we have to specify the mode of the file. My mode of the file is w because I'm going to create a new one, so that the mode is w, and here as f. And next one I want to create CSV writer class for writing the details as a CSV one, as a CSV file. So w or it or writer is equal to csv dot w or it or writer within the bracket f. I have to specify this f because instead of specifying this full line, it is enough to specify the f alone here. F and dialect dialect is equal to dialect my dialect. And next one I have to create a for row in writer and info, because within info only I have given the details. Row is a variable that should be intruded into info variable, and it will read the details, and finally it will write the details as rows. Writer w or it or writer dot write rows w or I write or ws write row w. And next one is f dot close, close. Save your program. student student dot py, run it, and expected intended block. Indentation is very important here. So nothing has been detected as errors here, so that a file called pupil1.csv has been created within the folder pyprg under f under e colon. So let us check. Yes, pupil. Now open this one. Nothing has been added as records, but the empty file has been created. Yes, sorry, not pupil, pupil 1. Yes, under pupil 1 rk and a records has been added. See here, serial number, person, date of birth has been added as field names. rk and a has been added as records. Date of birth has been added as also records. This is how we have to create file with the codes. And next one is custom delimiters. Instead of giving csv.code all, we have to give here we have to give, under my dialect, here we have, it is enough to give DELIMITER is equal to pipe symbol. Within quotes, within single quote I have to give pipe symbol. Just save it and run it. Permission denied, because again run it. Yes, because I have opened already, so that permission has been denied. Now there is no error. Here open this one. Yes, because of using custom delimiter. See here, within that delimiter the bar has been added. The bar has been added as a delimiter because of using custom delimiter pipe symbol. So next one is, we are going to use line terminator. Line terminator is nothing, we are going to feed a new line into the records. That is what we are going to do here. A line terminator is a string used to terminate lines produced by writer. So the same thing is going to happen here also, and here we are going to give another one called line terminator. LINETERMINATO, or line terminator is equal to, within the quote, yes, save it, run it, there is no error. Again go to the pyprg file, open this one. Yes, because of giving line terminator, the empty rows has been removed because of giving line terminator. See here, again I will show an example without line terminator. Control S, save it, and go here, open your CSV file. Yes, see the empty spaces here, and here. We can remove these empty spaces, empty row, because of using line terminator class. So here we are going to use line terminator class. Because of using line terminator class, we can remove the empty row. Line terminator is equal to, yes, now open this people one CSV file. Yes, see here, again I would like to remove the Control S. Yes, nothing has been detected as errors. Again go here, open people one CSV file. Yes, because of removing line terminator custom delimiter, the pipe symbol has been removed from the file. Now the empty row has been removed from the file. This is how we can add line terminator into a CSV file with the help of Python programming language. So next one is getting code characters. I mean CSV file with the code characters. So the same thing we are going to do here with the small changes, here in the dialect line. So here we are going to add delimiter is equal to pipe symbol. Next one is code char. Instead of giving line terminator, we are going to QUO code ch code char is equal to and next one coating is equal to CSV dot QO code underscore QUOTE underscore ALL code all. So here, because of giving code char, all the record has been added within double quotes. For all the records, the double quotes has been added because of using code char and quoting classes. So save this one, run this one. So a small mistake is here. We have to rectify that one. Code char, under code char a small mistake is there, we have to rectify the error. Now there is no error. Go here, open pupil1.csv file. Just remove the custom delimiters here from your here. Remove the custom delimiters, no need to give custom delimiters. So again go here, open a CSV file. See, the record should be added. For the records, double quotes has been added because of having quoting all and code char. So give control N, import a CSV module into your programming language, and here data is equal to, do the same thing, copy the same thing here, control B, and afterwards give CSV dot register. Give dialect class here. Next one is here specify the path and which folder and which folder you want to save your file with. Open, give e colon pyporg stud dot csv, because we are going to, because of new file, we are going to create a new file, we have to give w mode here as f, and next one writer is equal to CSV dot t or writer. Here we have to specify the variable data, because under data only I have given the details, so that we have to specify the data here. And next one is print writing completed. And next one is f dot close, save your program. Stud dot py. So type error, csv dot writer is equal to csv dot writer. Remove the close function, save it, again run it. Type error argument 1 must have write method. Here now it become correct. In line 5 small mistake is there, we have to rectify the mistake, we have to rectify the error, then only we will get output, or else we never get output. Writer is equal to csv dot writer data. Everything is correct, but it doesn't give the output. So a small mistake is here, so that we have to rectify the error, then only we can get the output. So in this line the error is there with open sw csv dot write or writer. Sorry, here write write rows, writer is equal to, here we have to remove write or ws, write rows, here data. Now we can get the expected result. Here we have to specify the writer. Here write or writer is equal to csv dot writer, csv dot write or writer. Within the bracket we have to specify here data, data. And next one is dialect. We have to give the dialect, dialect. Dialect is equal to, within quote, dialect, my dialect. So again save it, Now run it. Again it shows an error. We have to rectify the error. Everything is given perfectly, but it shows an error, so we have to rectify the error, then only we will get the expected output. So but everything has been given perfectly, but it shows an error. So next one we are going to see how to feed data at runtime. For that, I mean, while seeing the output screen, how to give a value for the variable, that is what we are going to see here. So for that we have to give import CSV, and afterwards with open we have to specify the path here, e colon under e colon pyprg, and after that stu dot csv, and I have to give mode. My mode is w as f, and next one is w is equal to csv dot writer f, csv dot w or writer within the bracket have to give f. Next one is ans is equal to, if answer is y, if answer is y, it has to continue, while ans is equal to y, it has to be continue. Name is equal to input NAMG. Here I have to give NAMG. Name has been added as a data at runtime. Next one is place, place, place is equal to input. Here again have to give place, place, and next one is ans equal to input within the double quote. Do you WNT want to enter more? If my answer is y, I can continue, or if my answer is n, I can quit from the output screen. Next one is f is equal to, I have to open my program. This is for write, and finally I have to give for read mode. I have to give read mode for reading the file. To open the file, within the bracket I have to specify the path pyprg under pyprg folder stu.csv comma read mode, because after writing the file I am going to read the files in the output screen. So next one is reader read or reader class csv.read or reader f. And next one is how to create a for row, for loop to intrude into the file, to intrude into the variable reader. After intruding the variable row into reader, it should be read each and every line of reader. And next one is print print row. So my program has been finished. I have to save this one. Runtime.py. Now I have to run my program. To run my program, I have to press F5. Yes, invalid syntax. Here I have to give colon. Here save. Yes, name RK place ASO or. Do you want to continue? Yes. Again name. I know, and place ASO or. No. Yes. Now we have to go the specific. Yes, stu1 is my file name. See here, the record has been added. We have to see here stucsv. This is how we have to give feed data at runtime. So students, I hope you all understand the concepts very well. Keep watching the videos. The records has been added into the file, particular file stu within the specified path. This is how we have to give runtime values to the CSV file with the help of Python programming language. So students, I hope you all understand these concepts very well. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to call me at any time. Thank you for watching the videos. Prepare very well for the exams. Once again, thank you all.